Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last few videos, we were discussing about the introduction to Python, installation of Python, basic data types and operators. Today, on this video onwards, I'm going to discuss about few operations in sequence and caching category data type. We have seen, we can simply call it as operations on sequence and connection category data type, data types. Okay, this is what we are going to do this one. Let's see one image here. These are the data type we have already discussed earlier. We have the fundamental category data type, sequence category, correction category, and non-category. Fundamental, we have only this much info, boolean, and complex. Nothing much more to discuss on this one. But when it comes to sequence category and correction category, there are a few special operations we need to discuss. Nothing to discuss about the none also. But when it comes to string, the list, tuples, range, uh, set, frozen set, and dictionary. These seven categories, we have some special operations we need to discuss. Here four, then here three. So in those seven category of data type, we have special operations that we're going to discuss one by one on this video onwards. First of all, what I'm going to see is string operations. We are going to see what is the first one. What we're going to see is string. What is meant by string? String is some variable. Okay, string is a variable which is enclosed within the inverted comma. Okay, hello, this is string, or b equal to Python, or c equal to something called Canada. These are all called strings. Okay, strings. One specialty of string is this is an iterable object. This is iterable object. Suppose I have a variable a which is equal to Canada. Okay, Canada. It is having index value. Index value index value starting from 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. What is the n? N is the length of this word. N is the length of this particular string. Suppose if you take this one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. This is 6 characters are there. Starting with 0, this is the 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index. 6 digits index starting from 0 to 5. Let's draw like this. The index starting from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called the forward indexing. Forward index. There is something called reverse index also. We can come from back end from the right side also. This is called -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is called the backward index or reverse index. Backward or reverse index. Backward index, we can say. Based on this index value, we can extract the characters. Suppose if you want to get the first character, either we can say this is the variable name, variable of I need to give the index value. What is index value? If you see this one here, I can denote in two different ways. Either I can give c of 0, or what is the reverse index? -6, c of -6. We can give like this. Suppose if you want to get this one, the second one, then sorry, it's not c, this is a. Suppose the second one, if you want to get the second one, that is variable of 1, it will be the second character. Or how can we denote? In reverse of the variable of this is the -5th, -5. Like that, we can get the index. Suppose if you want to get the index of the last one, then we can go for a of this is the fifth index, or in other ways, a of -1. This is how we can get the values. Let's go ahead and see this in practical. Then we will go deeper into the indexing and tracing. This is called the indexing process. Let's go ahead and see them in practical. Let's I have the variable equal to Canada. Print A. Sorry, what is this? No caps. Print A. This is Canada. Suppose if you want to get the first character, either A of 0, it will give C, or A of what we have seen earlier, this one, -6. This -1, -2, -3, -4, -3, -6. -6. It will also give the same character. Suppose if you want to give the last one, A of, last one, what is the index? A of 5. A of 5. Okay. And, or A of -1. Same. Let's see whether it is one more thing, just for clarification. A of 5 equal to, sorry, equal to A of -1. It should say true because both are same. Both relate to the same location. This is what the string is. We have a lot of things to discuss about the string. There are a lot of things we can do, or the string we can do iteration or the string. Let's go ahead and see. The first thing we are going to see is indexing and slicing. This is one form of indexing we have seen, and a lot of things we have to discuss about the indexing, what we're going to see on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.